109.7 at 115.1 miles per hour. All right, Chevrolet Ford matchup right here in Ultra Street. And the first four pairs. 457 for Tyler Huff. The walls of the front stand, but man, oh man, that car just ran the mail right out of town. Years ago, right? Remember the red Mustang? I do. Wheelie, the pole for half track, going quarter mile. All right, so PTC Field and Rayburn, the world, all of you need to be there now, please. All of RVW need to be in the lane. Whatever you guys want.
They get antsy up there.
It was actually a little warmer last night than it was now.
Give him one tick of the talk right there at 60 flat. There you go, 60 flat. Let's see it. 60 flat, what'd I tell you?
Wow.
Bang, baby. 6.000. Do the math. He told me what he did last night. He told me the temperature. I told him smooth landing.
Wow, 360 with a 0 to a 360.16.
Yeah, just a little bit more shit. That's all. Yeah.
Eric Gustafson at home listening in. Nice to see him. We never do, but I know he's watching. Here we go. Wow, look at the wheel standing to get off the throttle twice. Wow, and kaboom! Man, did you see that? That was a visit to the piston goddess right there.
Yeah, no kidding. Norman Bryson, 364. 202 miles per hour going to 3 spot, but I'd say he may have hurt, I may have hurt one down there.
May have. Open the door and take a whiff, dude.
Oh, my gosh.
Smells like Reynolds wrap.
get pairs 1 through 4 approach 275 to the lanes, please. Pairs 1 through 4 approach 275 to the lanes, please. Pairs 1 through 4 approach 275 to the lanes. Look at this, 986, 981, top of the racetrack, 376, 197 to a 403 and 149. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Again, folks, please clear the starting line. Need everyone off of the starting line now, please. Please clear the starting line.